Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey, where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights together. I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: boost your business with Facebook marketing, a step-by-step guide. Facebook marketing leverages the platform's vast user base to connect with potential customers, build brand awareness, and drive sales. This guide covers everything you need to know to create an effective Facebook marketing strategy. 1. Understanding Facebook's ecosystem, user demographics, over 2.8 billion monthly active users with diverse demographics, business tools, pages, groups, marketplace, and ads manager, content types, posts, stories, videos, live streams, and ads. 2. Setting up your Facebook business page. Create a page. Go to Facebook's Create a Page section and follow the prompts. Profile and cover photos. Use high-quality images that represent your brand. About section. Clearly describe your business, including contact information and website links. Call to action button. Add a button that encourages specific actions like shop now or contact us. 3. Building your audience. Inviting friends and customers. Start by inviting your existing network. Promotions and contests. Engage users with promotions and giveaways. Content strategy. Post regularly with a mix of engaging, informative, and promotional content. 4. Content creation and strategy. Types of content: posts, status updates, photos, links, videos, short clips, how-tos, behind the scenes, stories, short-lived content that creates urgency, live streams, real-time engagement with your audience. Content calendar. Plan your posts to ensure consistent and diverse content. Engagement. Respond to comments, messages, and engage with other pages. 5. Facebook ads. Ad objectives. Choose from awareness, consideration, or conversion objectives. Ad formats: photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, slideshow ads, collection ads. Targeting options. Utilize demographic, location, interest, and behavior targeting. Budgeting. Set daily or lifetime budgets, and choose between cost per click, CPC, or cost per impression, CPM. Creating ads. Use Ads Manager to create, manage, and analyze ad performance. 6. Utilizing Facebook Insights and Analytics. Page Insights. Monitor metrics such as page likes, post reach, and engagement. Audience Insights. Understand the demographics and behaviors of your audience. Ad Performance. Track ad performance with metrics like CTR, CPC, and conversion rates. 7. Advanced tactics. Retargeting. Use Facebook Pixel to retarget website visitors with ads. Lookalike audiences. Target users similar to your current customers. A/B testing. Experiment with different ad creatives and strategies to optimize performance. Integrations. Link Facebook with your CRM, email marketing tools, and e-commerce platforms for seamless operations. 8. Staying updated. Facebook Blueprint. Take free courses offered by Facebook to stay current with platform updates, industry blogs and forums. Follow marketing blogs and participate in forums for the latest tips and trends. Conclusion. Effective Facebook marketing requires a strategic approach that combines regular engagement, targeted advertising, and continuous optimization. By understanding the platform's tools and audience, you can build a robust presence that drives meaningful results for your business. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.